What's happening, Star Wars fans? Peter von Panda here. Hey, Star Wars Rogue One ATST. You know these because these are the walkers, the two-legged ones, and this one is Hot Wheels. Includes the stand. I like these. They're inexpensive. Nice way to get a little model, and I've been really happy with the quality of them so far. Let's just go ahead and pry this little bad boy open here. So we can do this pretty quickly. We do get the little plastic stand. That's a little, man, everything is tightly packaged in these things, so it ain't gonna fall out. Little Imperial symbol on there, little base, and then we get the ATST, and you will remember these from, you know, Return of the Jedi as well. I used to have a big plastic one of these, and in Return of the Jedi, one of the cool scenes were when they had the two logs that swung down and smashed it. Didn't really give me a lot of hope for surviving other types of attacks in there. Just threw all my stuff all over. But you can see the thing has some weight right in here. This is all die cast. This is all die cast. So it's got some weight up top. In fact, because the legs are plastic, relatively good color match, a little lighter on the legs. I feel like it's going to have a problem standing, but it seems like it's pretty well balanced here. And the top, the turret, does rotate. I even like the fact that they have the little louvers over the front windows on there. And then we have pivoting guns here, and they actually do rotate. And you have the front cannons, laser cannons, and that rotates a little bit, little travel there. Hatch on the top, all the normal stuff on the back. Legs don't move particularly, especially the hinges are all just a molded single piece, but I would assume that you don't want these moving so that it doesn't fall over if I just put it down here. Yep, it will stand, so you could absolutely display that just like that. Pretty cool. Looks like a big robotic chicken. Robot chicken. But pretty awesome. Nice little way you can start displaying all your Star Wars stuff together. Pew pew! Obviously, these are not to scale. Pretty cool. Check it out. This thing was only like $5, so it's an easy way to get some cool Star Wars paraphernalia. Not other types of paraphernalia, just Star Wars paraphernalia. Without breaking the bank. Peter von Panda out.